Double-click to launch ENCY software. If after launch the ENCY software, and this is not your machine or robot, you need to double-click to edit. If your machine folder not listed under search folders, you can also include it, then browse the robot folder. Then load the robot or machine. Now we're going to import the part and also workpiece. Pick the part group, then click Import, and select Blade Step File. Next we pick the workpiece group, and click Import, to import cylinder step file. The part and workpiece now placed below rotary table. We switch to Machining tab to adjust the UCS offset value, and we check the position later. Click on Base Setup, which located under Setup option. Edit the machine CS to rot table UCS, and move Z-axis offset 355 mm upward. Now we noticed that the blade is facing to the other side. Then switch to Model tab to rotate it. Make sure click on Full Model Group. Then use the Rotate function under Spatial Transformation to rotate the part around Z-axis 180 degree. Now the part position is good. We switch back to Machining tab to assign part and workpiece. We can also accept the default assign part. If you want to assign your own part, also possible by clicking the Faces option and pick the part group. Next we move to Workpiece option. Select Faces. Then pick Cylinder Step File from Workpiece group. Add a new non-planar slicing operation which under Additive group. Rotate E2 axis to 90 degree under Tool Orientation in Setup. Set rotary table vector to +Z direction. Turn on Rotate E2 under Other Axes and check on Flip Wrist J5. Align tool direction to backside, that is, under Tool Orientation. Make sure the nozzle head is pointing downward. Minor adjust the robot axis by manual if needed. Enter tool orientation again to make sure the nozzle head is pointing down. Next we move to Job Assignment. Click on Non-Planar Substrate. Assign cylinder that under Workpiece group to non-planar substrate. Assign blade step file that under part group to feature in job assignment. Next we move to Strategy option. Click on the question mark on left side of the function to show explanation of the function. We use offset for slicing strategy. Change layer height value from percentage of work length to mm. Set it as 0.7 mm. And set line width to 3 mm. Set end offset to 60 mm. Next we move to Parameter option. Set fixed segment length for the output interpolation. Set segment length to 3 mm. And set safe level to 100 mm under links or leads option. Now we set the tool diameter to 3 mm. Tool length to 27 mm, and working length to 0.5 mm. And here to set tool number, you may change it if you wish. Now we move to feeds or speeds.
Set.
Rapid feed, 3000 millimeters per minute. Or in other way is 50 millimeters per second. And set work feed 900 millimeters per minute. Or 15 millimeters per second. Set short link feed 300% and long link feed 500% of work feed. After done all these setting, now execute the operation to get the toolpath. After done toolpath execution, now we check the robot axis movement via axis map. Click Build Map to do execution. Click Build Graph after done Build Map. You may drag along to preview the robot axis movement.
Besides,
you can also drag the graph to adjust the robot axis orientation. Click Update Toolpath after done, adjust the graph. Go to Simulation to preview the result. Notice that the robot joint is facing to X positive direction. We switch back Machining tab, Edit Axis Map, and click Build Map to reset to the original. Update Toolpath. We do the simulation again, and the robot joint is facing to negative Y direction. Click on N1, which is post-processor function. You will find a robot or machine post-processor in recent post-processors group if you used it before. Also can find it under Custom Folders group. Let's delete the folder in Custom Folders group. Click the include icon and browse the post-processor folder. After that, you will find the post-processor under Custom Folders. Expand the folder and select the SBPX extension post-processor. Then set the output file name and set the file output destination path. Click Run to output the ENCY code. Here is the ENCY code. If you need to edit the content of the code, for example, the output file name, you can click the external editor to edit it. The first row of program file name must tally with the ENCY file output name.
Click
Show in Folder to open up the output file folder. Click Exit to exit from ENCY program generation window. And the last step is save your file.